When nature calls and you gotta do your thing, there's no way around it. You gotta make what's called a bird's nest. Okay, so first, if even if it's been cleaned, this had some runny stuff in it. To prevent splashback, okay, if you don't know what your business viscosity is going to be, you put a catcher in the rye. Okay, usually if the toilet paper is unopened, you can take the packages and use that. It floats on the nasty, and then you log cabin layer the outside, drape some over here to protect your specials, and